facilities. All poultry farms have a problem with pollution of waste products, and as a result, pressures are made to the farm owner to reduce their pollutants. Now, what are the pollutants constitutes of pollution? First of all, the water runoff, insects and rodents, odors, unsightliness, feathers, and manure. Kinds of poultry waste. Poultry waste is a manure with bedding or water. Roughly 20% of it consumed by poultry is converted to manure. Manure mixed with bedding is called litter. Hello, শুনতে পাচ্ছ সবাই?
জি স্যার।
জি স্যার।
শোনো, আমি এটার সবগুলোর সবাইকে প্রেজেন্টেশন পাওয়ার পয়েন্ট সব তোমাদেরকে দিয়ে দিব। হ্যাঁ, তোমরা জাস্ট একটু ইয়ে করো, শোনার চেষ্টা করো আর একটু দেখার চেষ্টা করো, ঠিক আছে? আমি একটু দ্রুত আমি রিড আউট করছি। হ্যাঁ, manure mixed with bedding is called litter. What is litter? Manure mixed with bedding. Poultry litter is a very valuable byproduct of poultry industry. Example, a natural soil amendment is a source of nutrient and organic matter that can increase soil health and fertility. If it is mishandled, it causes pollution to surface and groundwater. Now, litter management. Proper management of litter in the poultry house will reduce the need to remove litter between flocks and will aid to developing a clean out schedule. Two primary factors relate to good litter conditions. Proper heating, ventilation, selection and operation of bird watering system to minimize spillage of litter. Any common type of watering system can be used effectively if maintained properly. It is the image of a compost of litter. After decomposition of litter, litter converted to manure. How litter is converted to manure or fertilizer? Poultry litter is an excellent and low-cost fertilizer if used properly. The land application of poultry manure should be managed to recycle plant nutrients rather than for disposal. The poultry litter contains a considerable amount of organic matter due to manure and bacterial. আরো একটা শব্দ একটু হচ্ছে, একটু মিউট রাখো। আর যার সেটটা একটু শব্দ করতেছে। Litter can also have an impact on soil pH and limiting due to varying amounts of calcium carbonate in poultry feed. যেহেতু পোল্ট্রি ফিডে ক্যালসিয়াম কার্বনেট থাকে, কাজে এটা সয়েলের পিএইচ কে হ্যাম্পার করে, পিএইচ ইয়ে করে, ইনফ্লুয়েন্স করে। ফিডিং ব্রয়লার লিটার টু ক্যাটেল। ব্রয়লার লিটারকে ক্যাটেলে খাওয়ানোর প্রক্রিয়া যদি করা হয়, তাহলে cattle and other ruminants have unique digestive system that allow them to use waste and other types of byproduct as a source of dietary nutrients. One byproduct that can be used as a cattle feed in broiler litter. The litter is a good source of protein, energy, minerals, especially for cattle. এই পর্যন্ত ছিল। হ্যাঁ, লিটারকে আমরা ফিশ মিল হিসেবে ব্যবহার করতে পারি, কারণ the litter stimulates the growth of algae which is good for fish feed. ঠিক আছে, সরাসরি আমরা লিটারকে খাবার হিসেবে ব্যবহার করতে
স্লাইড
পারেন।
দেখা যায় না।
দেখা যাচ্ছে, ও সরি, আবার তো স্ক্রিন দিতে হবে না।
জি স্যার।
Okay. Acha. Now processing and storing of litter. Processing of broiler litter as a feed ingredient can be accompanied by any one of the several methods. অনেকগুলো মেথড আছে, যে কোনো একটা পদ্ধতিতে করা যেতে পারে। Litter can be mixed with other feed ingredients and silage to encourage acid production that is common with corn and sorghum silage in aerobic condition. And litter can be heat treated as would occur during mechanical drying or pelleting of feeds. Composting of poultry waste. Composting is a controlled microbial process that convert biodegradable organic materials into stable and humus-like products called compost. It is a natural aerobic microbial process in which carbon dioxide, water, and heat are released from organic waste. Composting can also be used to convert cage manure, litter hatchery waste, eggshells, and dead birds into a high-value byproduct into poultry and egg production industries. Now, carcass disposal. Disposal of dead birds on the farm continues to be a challenge from standpoints of cost, environmentally, safety, and biosecurity, and practically. Now, how are the methods of carcass disposal? Traditional methods of carcass disposal are burial method, disposal piece, incineration, rendering, and composting. Now, general principles of carcass management. Dead birds or carcasses must be removed from cages and the poultry house daily. Keeping the holding containers covered all the times to prevent contact with the flies and other insect, dogs, cats, predatory animals, and other free flying birds. Maintaining the holding site in an isolated area of the farm. After dead birds are handled or shipped, wash hands, disinfect the facility equipments, and change to clean the clothing. Dead birds pickup trucks or personnel should not be allowed to visit any area on the farm except the holding facilities. Now, burial method. Burial has been the method of choice for years because of its low cost and convenience. It is still a system commonly used worldwide, but the large-sized modern commercial farm has made this system less feasible. Now, what are the procedure of burial? A deep pit inside farming and a tight-fitting cupboard can be constructed, which may be 30 to 40 inches in diameter and 30 to 40 feet in depth, or an open trench prepared by a back hole can be progressively filled as bird die. A covering of at least 2 feet of earth must be maintained to control the order. Benign waste that can be easily disposed and does not attract pests. Incineration is biologically a secure system and one that does not create water pollution. Its disadvantage includes its slowness and cost of production. এটা ইনসিনারেশন খুব স্লো আর কস্ট খুব বেশি। একটা ফার্মে অনেক হাজার হাজার বার্ড মারা যায়, শত শত বার্ড মারা যায়, সেক্ষেত্রে ইনসিনারেশন করাটা খুব cost effective এবং slow action. This is the image of incineration method. Now rendering. Rendering is an excellent way to recycle dead birds by converting the carcass into animal byproduct at feed ingredients. Renders have been cooking, hydrolyzing, and processing plants waste into byproduct meal and feather meal or fat for years. Now, three major concerns related to these methods of disposal are biosecurity. এই মেথডটা রেন্ডারিং করতে গেলে এখানে কিন্তু তিনটা কনসার্ন ভেক্টর থাকবে, কারণ বায়োসিকিউরিটি, প্রপার ফিডার ব্রেকডাউন, এ সুইটেবল অন ফার্ম স্টোরেজ মেথড টু রিডিউস ট্রান্সপোর্টেশন কস্ট। এটা বায়োসিকিউরিটির দিক থেকেও ভালো, প্রপার ফিডার ব্রেকডাউন করতে হয়ে যায় এবং স্টোরেজের জন্য ভালো, ট্রান্সপোর্টেশন কস্ট কমে যায়। A rendered carcass meal has a full fat processing yield was 40% and use of materials up to 10% of diet supported equal or improved feed efficiency. Feather hydrolysis did not appear to be a problem and the milk content এটা থেকে কি পাওয়া যেতে পারে? প্রোটিন পাওয়া যেতে পারে 55.7%, lysine 3.15%, sulfur containing amino acids 2.03%, calcium about 3%, fiber less than 1%, and total phosphorus 1.47%. Now, composting. Composting are emerged as an environmentally and safe disposal alternatives. Adding water to alternate layer of straw, carcass, and manure. Alternate layer of straw, carcass, and manure in bins placed on the roofed concrete slab starts the process. 1 part of carcass, 2 part poultry litter, and 0.1 part straw, and 0.25 part water. এটাকে লেয়ারে দিয়ে রাখতে হবে, then thermophilic bacteria then go to work using the nitrogen, carbon, and fat from the litter and dead birds to digest then at temperature. এটাকে digest with temperature 130 to 150 degree Fahrenheit temperature ওটা digest হয়ে যাবে. In most large farms, the two stages of this process, when temperature has decreased after a couple of weeks, the material is turned into a second beans, then accelerate the compost. Heating and further decomposition occur over the next week to produce compost that can be applied to crop and pasture. This is the system of composting. Now, this is the end of the lecture. Hello, তোমরা শুনতে পাচ্ছ?
জি স্যার।
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা, আমরা আজকে এই লেকচারটা পর্যন্ত রাখি। আমাদের সকালে তো আবার 9টায় একটা ক্লাস আছে না রুটিনে?
জি স্যার।
জি স্যার।
ক্লাস আছে